So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable dark mode in Safari. So there are two methods. Just simply open Safari in your phone. As you can see, my Safari is on light theme. The first method is just on your default setting, go enable dark theme here. Now as you can see, by default theme, the Safari is on dark mode. But when I go on any website, for example, I'm going in Google, there is another theme which is light theme. Just tap three lines here, go in more setting, go in other setting. As you can see, dark theme, just tap on it and go default, confirm. So as you can see now, dark theme is enabled. So it's very simple process. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. See you in next video. Take care.